Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces for your general energies, career situation and relationship Pisces. We are picking few cards guys. And I also have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy guys. This is for your relationship guys and this is for your career situation. So you can watch that pick a card love reading if you are interested. So that may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. Pisces. So let's start with the general energy. We have Two of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and Page of Wands in reverse, guys. So, in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You have some kind of obstacles or difficulties in your personal life or in your career situation. Maybe some weakness, maybe some addictions someone has. It may be the person you love or your friend, or it may be your own addictions. So, some things are not right or not happening as you have expected for yourself, or but there is some new beginning coming in your situation. Maybe in your career you are seeing some maybe the path to some collaborations, partnerships, or it may be in your life in this relationship. You are moving towards a deep bond with this person with that great understanding. Maybe you are getting closer to them. That may be the reason you see the truth about this person, and they are having some obsession or some addictions or something really bad is happening in their life, and you are there to help them, or this may be your energy, guys. So this person you love, they are really getting closer to you, and you feel that you cannot hide your secrets or whatever these addictions you have. So you cannot hide those anymore because they are quite close to you. Maybe they have moved in with you, they are living with you, or you have a very close relationship, and you cannot hide anything from this person, or you are unable to hide anything from them. So but you are seeing troubles, but whatever it is, that bond is there, that strong bond is there in this connection, guys. So you have that commitment, or this person has that commitment towards this connection, and you want to make this relationship work, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys, for your general energy. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have 10 of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, there are some things acting as obstacles or difficulties in your relationship. Maybe this weakness, or they may have some illness, or some obsession, whatever it is. There are certainly some things that are not going right in your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Pisces. We have 7 of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe for some of you, there is someone trying to tell you some things. Maybe when you're making some important decisions, they are coming with certain suggestions or ideas, but you are not ready to listen to this person. Maybe you are not ready for anyone's advice today, guys. That may be the reason for some troubles in your work. You need to listen, guys. If someone having that true intention or good intention towards you comes to you, you need to listen to them. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Pisces, for your general energy. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Pisces, for your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals and choose the crystal which comes to you first. So that way, that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe. And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you. This may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you, and you are going to feel loved, and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.